Hello and welcome to my channel. Let us solve this set maths question that seems to be hard but is actually not that hard. So we are given if 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, we need to find the value of 9 power x divided by 26 power y. Now if you know that 3 square is equal to 9 and 3 cube is equal to 27. So I can simplify this by saying that 3 square power x divided by 3 cube power y. And I can write this as 3 power 2x divided by 3 power 3y. Now using the law of exponents, this will be 3 power 2x minus 3y. Now this 2x minus 3y value is given to us, which is 4. So this means this equals 3 power 4. Of course 3 power 4 is 3 multiplied by the 4 times. So this is 9. This is also 9. And when we multiply this we get 81. So the right answer is 81.